Hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here. Today is midweek. This week that I was thinking is going to be good for us from Monday and yesterday. It wasn't good. But please, something is telling me that winning is on the way. Because I've seen some events that left them that they've all played from even national, from national to yesterday, and I was thinking they are not good enough, but they've played and all sort of things. So I know something good is on the way again. So our chance will be coming back. Maybe before this week will end, we are going to see some things. So please subscribe to the channel and then turn the post notification on. And then like the post for me, please. Like the post so that it can be shared to other people also. Now let's go straight. A simple plan, okay? Confirmation from Lucky Tuesday paper. It's very, very simple. Just simple something. Let's look at it. In the Lucky Tuesday, comes from Lucky Tuesday to Midweek itself. So here is one of them. This one. The event is also good to PERM. It's very simple. At event 124, that is in the year 2009. Event 124, 81 play, following week 47, 81 following week 47. Then the 81 will jump and play 51. The 81 will jump and play 51. That is the too short. 81, 51, ND1. Even though the 61 is also a banker on its own, when I get there, I'll show you. The 61 is also banker on its own. That is why I will urge you to PERM this event. Okay, this event, the event that is in that is event 126 in the Lucky Tuesday paper. Even if you pick from the down, that 81 play is going up 3 weeks up, 1, 2, 3. You will still see the same 81, 51. Is the same thing, 81, 51. Too short. The 61 is also there. So please PERM this event. Now let's go to another confirmation also. At this one also at event 187. Event 187. 81 play, 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then you see the 81 jump and play with the 51 again. It's the same thing. 81 jump and play with the 51. Here the 81 even 10 with the 51. So 18 is also there on the event. If you want to, if you have something and you want to PERM here, you can PERM it. Okay. Now let's go straight to midweek paper itself, and then we see all the plans that I'm showing over there. In midweek, there's one here. There's also there are two plans in one on the event here. That is in the year 2018. In the year 2018 at event 772. Event 772. You can see 81 play first, 3 weeks down. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then you see the 81 jump and play with 51. The 81 will jump and play with 51. The same too short. So here you can see the 81 play with even the difference one. That is 80. The reason why I'm showing you that 80 is that the 81 jumping to play with 51, and then the 80 itself is a thing on its own. It's supposed to have played the 81 following week 51. If like they play 81 following week 51, I would have used 80 and then 81, 36 as my 3 numbers. That particular plan is in national, but because the 51 did not play, 3 weeks down is this particular plan that they are playing. So 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, you will notice the 51 will come and then play with the 81. That's why the 80 is also here and is very good. So then again, you see the 81 also on the event again. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then another one, the 81 will jump and play with the 51 again. Even if you are going up, is the same 81.51. If you are coming down, the same 81.51. Okay, so now let's go to current. Let's go to current and see how it is over there. This is current. The one we have at current, you can see at event 996. At event 996, 40 play first. This is the main one that we are using. 40 play first. Then we count from the 40. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 46 will play in machine. Following week, you will see 43, 45. 43, 45. Then following week, the 43 will counter to double 8. So as the double 8 play, then you count from the double 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks down. That is the 81. And this is 50. This is 81 and this is 50. Following week 50. So as the 50 play, then following week, you will see the 81 will jump and play the difference 1 of the 50. That is 51. So I've already shown you that the 81 is supposed to jump with the 51. So 81, 51, too sure on its own. Too sure on its own. If you still want me to confirm the 81, 51, that is if 81 play money, 81 play, they should come and play the two numbers. I'll still continue. There are many. So what I'm doing is I'm adding this 68 to the 81, 51 as the third number, because you can see the 68 counter at the down here. The 68 counter. So it will play following week before the 68 will counter. So 81, 51, and then 68 as my three numbers. Excuse me. I told you there is some 61 on the event. One of the event that I talked to you guys about, that I said the 51, 81 should play with 61. So 61 is a banker. That thing is also here. It's another plan altogether. You can see 81 play first, following week 50. Then we have these three numbers remaining on the event to play. 81 play first, following week 50. You're supposed to play 61 as a banker to play with 60 and then 72. Those are the three numbers remaining on the event to play. And now it just started. It's not when they will play 3 before I'll show you the rest. They play 81, they play 50. Following week we have 60, 61 and 60, 72 to play. There is also another one of that thing in the midweek paper. This is it. You can see this one also has 81 following 50. Then we have 61 as a full banker to play. So 14 is also on the event, and then 20. So those are the three numbers remaining. But you can see among them, 61 becomes a banker for them. So 61, 14, and then 20. That is what I'm talking about, as 61 also being a banker on the event here. But this is the event that we are using. You still want me to show the 81 jumping to play 51? There's also another one here in the, you see 81 play 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 81, 51. The same thing, 81 play 1, 2, 3, 81, 51. It's still there. Then now we come to current. When we come to current, you check the current plan. That is event 1031. Before that, these are the results for last week. Last week numbers that they've played: 66, 50, 47, 24, and then 12. Then machine numbers are 73, 37, 34, 70, and then 85. So our plan begins at event 1031. So that is where the 40 is. Then you count 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. 46 will play. Following week 45, 43. Then the 43 will counter to double 8. So from the double 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then that is our 81. And following week our 50 will play 81. You see is packing. That is why they will play the 81 following week 50. Okay, so as the 50 is at position, the 81 will have to jump and play with the 51. That is 81, 51. 81, we'll jump and play with the 51. So I'm adding the 68 to them to give you the 3 numbers. So 68 becomes our third number. So 51, 61, 51, 81, 68. 51, 81, and then 68. Those are the 3 numbers. But you can see me mark something on the event. You see where Lotto is very tricky. So that's why I mark this thing over here. You can see where the 43, 45 play, the 3 numbers that remain on the event. You pick the 27, 68 over there to come and play first and second. 27, 68 on the 43 event to come and play 2 numbers. So that's why I mark these 3 numbers remaining on the event, because the 43, 45 play already. These are the numbers also remaining on the event. So you can see the 68, 10, and then 71 and 34. But what I am scared of, Lotto can do anything. But if you want to write these 3 numbers, you can go ahead and PERM the event. You can go ahead and PERM the event before you play the 3 numbers if you want to, because you can still play these 2 numbers. But according to the plan, these 2 numbers are no more part of the ones that are going to play from here to here. So the event that we are using for midweek is this particular event, event 1087. Event 1087. And numbers on the event are 68, 27, 81, 51, and then 14. The 14 that I show you on the picking over there, that are remaining numbers to play. You can see the 14 also here. So this is the event that I'm using, event 1007. Numbers on the event 68, 27, 81, 51, and then 14. 81, 51, 68 are my 3 numbers. So thank you very much for being here. Hopefully you start our win from today. Okay, bye for now.